We have focused a lot of energy on providing much-needed services for the community.
We're teaching CPR, we're teaching bleeding control, we're teaching stroke awareness, things like that going out into the community.
We've recruited close to 500 physicians.
The nursing staff and the anesthesia staff are significantly warm and caring.
Highly qualified technicians.
It rivals anything in Manhattan.
Allowing me to bring the most cutting-edge technology to my patients today, which is really amazing.
We invested a significant amount into the infrastructure of the facility, whether it's our lobby or our clinical service areas.
I wanted patients to feel like they're going into a hotel, not a hospital. We're one of the few facilities that has a High-Field Open MRI.
They've invested tremendously in the field of robotic-assisted surgery.
Spine robots, Da Vinci robot, or Mako.
We have access to robotic-assisted joint replacement.
All equipment that anyone could need for any procedure is here.
When you work in a small hospital, you know everybody. It's like a big family.
That close relationship is what differentiates us from other hospitals.
Every person was treating me warmly as if I was their family.
Patients today are happy to have their small community hospital back.
We have high-level equipment, technology, surgeons that you would expect that you could only get in Manhattan, but here it is in northern New Jersey.
Thank you all for being a valued part of Hudson Regional family. We believe that robotic surgery is the future.
To that end, we created the Institute for Robotic Surgery.
The Institute of Robotic Surgery at Hudson Regional Hospital is really a multidisciplinary effort.
High-level technology in multiple areas under one roof.
Why use robotic surgery? Less bleeding, less stiffness, less swelling, less post-operative pain, and a quicker recuperation.
That high quality of care will be provided at their doorstep within Hudson Regional Hospital.
This institution is going to do excellent things for patients, for physicians, and for the community.